Hey people, so I really have to say this. Yeah, this is the the place where I'm sitting. I have this cute, super cute, this painting that was made by this friend of mine. Her name's Saundarya, and we met through Instagram. And she was so kind enough to do the sketch for me. Yeah, so since my child is not with me, I like to keep the sketch next to me, and I feel so happy about this. I had never envisaged a time when my kid would not be with me. So this is very indicative of how life is, right? You never know what's in store. But the fact is, that's why all the more reason I would strongly recommend people get such sketches made, because I don't know, I just noticed that a sketch has that much more it's very alluring when you see a pretty sketch. I keep looking at it, I want to keep looking at it. And that's what it has a very, I think I'm now tempted to get other things also sketched. And she's so reasonable as an artist. Yeah, I mean, Saundarya is one of the finest sketch artists you can find. So truly, people, take a look at this. She did it for me. I can't, it is one of the cutest, kindest things anyone has ever done for me. So really, people, Saundarya, you can find her on Instagram by typing sounds art, you know and I have this very same sketch on Instagram, so that's how you can locate her also. And she can do your sketch for, like, she's one of the most reasonable artists out there. So sounds art it is. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.